Well, yes and no. Yes and no. So there is a revenue calculator. Let's just, well, I can use this window, that's fine. There is a revenue calculator, and I'm going to give you all the link, and it's going to be send to all in the question area. That will come up in the question area, and I put it as well in the chat area, okay? So there's a link there. Now, if you're watching this and you are watching the recording, then all you would do is go to, I'm going to show you exactly how to get there. So Fulfillment by Amazon Revenue Calculator, that's a normal one for Amazon.com Marketplace. To get to that, all you need to do is Google Fulfillment by Amazon Revenue Calculator. You'll come to this page, and then when you get to this page, you see where the URL is here, sellercentral.amazon.com. You're just going to add the words .au, so then it goes, should divert to the Australian website, and that's how the protocol is for all of Amazon's URLs. That's called a TLD. That .com.au is a top level domain, TLD, and they just change that but keep the rest of the URL consistent. All right, so they do that for all marketplaces. Anyway, so now we should go to amazon.com.au revenue calculator. So let's just do that. Here's what I get. So I get the amazon.com.au comes up in Japanese for me. So I don't know what it comes up for you, but it comes up as Japanese for me. So if somebody could type in and tell me what you see when you do that, I would be very, very interested. Maybe it's just because I'm here in Portugal, I don't know, but that's what I'm able to see, all in Japanese. All right. What's that great song? Turning Japanese, I think I'm turning Japanese, I really think so. So it's all in Japanese. So for now, that's what we've got. So what do you do instead? Well, you can download, let's have a look. You can download the Amazon FBA, let's just go here, pricing sheets and storage fees and fulfillment fee table from here. And it looks like that. So I did that as soon as it got on, and I started studying it. And you can see that all your FBA fees are there. It's all very, very cheap. Certainly much, much cheaper than Australia Post, which is bloody brilliant. Plus, of course, Australia Post does not pick and pack your articles for you either. And then you've got your fees on Amazon, where you should factor in your normal, depending on what you're selling in, 12 to 15% fees. So that's how you can arrive at a down and dirty calculation for what you're doing. And it's not perfect, Rebecca, but until they actually release the Fulfilled by Amazon revenue calculator for Australia properly, that's what we're stuck with. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.